Hi, my name is Damien and I'm your CTM towel expert. If you're really looking for a stone look towel that's realistic, I have a towel just for you. It's called the Sutherland Grey. Come have a look. If I brush my hand around the stone, just have a look and have a feel to this. You can feel a natural matte towel on this towel. As you can hear, this is a very durable porcelain towel. And as you can know, that you can use this towel anywhere indoors in your home, but you also can use this outdoors in a covered area. The beautiful part of this towel is the natural speckles in the towel. Look at these beautiful elements. As you can see, a bit of terracotta, a bit of light gray, a bit of charcoal in the towel, and even a bit of beige and white. If you really like this towel as much as I do, please go to ctm.co.za. And if you do not know how many boxes you need, give us the measurements and we will calculate square meters just for you. All you need to do is add it to your cart and we will deliver this beautiful towel to your beautiful home. Thank you.